here we have England against Italy. It's John Champion with you today, and alongside me, top analyst Jim Beglin. And we're now underway. England against Italy. Barzagli is all over him. Montolivo. Pirlo. Vital interception there. Carrick. Here's Welbeck. Gerrard. Slides it through. It's played into space. Shoots here. De Sciglio clears it away. Through the middle it goes.
I just thought he got too impatient then. It was the right move, but he's got to keep himself on the right side.
Now through to Welbeck. Goal! England! They've grabbed the opener. Find some words to do justice to that goal.
Look, you can only exploit the space if the pass is good enough, and in that instance he was instinctive and quick, and it did the damage.
Italy have been caught cold early on. De Sciglio. Lescott makes the interception. Gerrard. Carrick. Now Welbeck. Slickly done that. And the cross is cleared. He takes a shot. That was really close.
Oh, listen, I think you can understand at times that the pace of the game pressures players into split-second decisions, and sometimes they just make the wrong one, and I think he would have been better placing that.
Welbeck's got it. He's on his way. You have to admire that control. Some hopeful faces waiting in the middle. Neatly played. Lifts it through. Smalling. Cleverly. And Rooney. Carrick. Glenn Johnson. Giaccherini. Giaccherini. Here's Balotelli. Abate. The ball's with Marchisio. Cleverly with the crucial intervention. And he's now got the ball on the other side. Glenn Johnson. De Sciglio. Smalling gets it back in the nick of time. Lescott. Ashley Cole. Glenn Johnson. Chiellini has a hold of him. A foul, a fairly easy decision for the referee. Gerrard has got hold of
Oh, wonderful. For me, it's one of the best sights on a football pitch, seeing this kind of direct running at defenders.
Long ball forward. Abate. Knocks it through. Wonderful through ball over the top. Cleverly. Carrick. Now Welbeck. Now Giaccherini. Montolivo on the ball.
Well, he just ran down a cul-de-sac then. No wonder he lost the ball.
Lunges wildly. He's got possession now. Maybe a chance. Chiellini. Cleverly. Ashley Cole. Cleverly. Lescott. Rooney. Carrick. Pirlo. Quickly closed down. Ashley Cole. Balotelli's got it. Cleverly. Rooney. And Ashley Cole. He plays it through. The ball played into space nicely. And he scores! That is an absolute peach of a goal. 2 goals to the good, and they're set fair. An audacious lob.
Oh, it takes real skill to execute a lob like that, and when it comes off, it's simply delightful to watch. What a goal!
So it's now 2 without reply.
Well, at 1-0 this game was very much in the balance, but at 2-0 they ought to be able to defend this lead from here.
De Chilio. Carrick. Giaccherini. He's looking to play it into the channel. De Chilio. Seems to have overhit that one slightly. Glenn Johnson. Milner, who has an assist to his name. Milner plays it long. Glenn Johnson has the ball in a wide position. Barzagli with some good covering. Balotelli looking to play on the break. Lescott. Gerrard. There's Rooney. Ashley Cole. Now Cleverly. Feeds a long ball into space. Opportunity for a goal. And a goal! They have a 3-goal advantage, and that should be enough.
Milner just stayed on the right side of the defender there. I thought he showed wonderful patience, great experience to just make sure he didn't drift offside. And I just thought all round it was very intelligent play.
England comfortably ahead. Pirlo. There will be 1 more minute added on. There goes the whistle, and it's half-time. Plenty of goals in this contest, and a margin of 3 between the teams. The whistle goes for the second half. Montolivo, Giaccherini, and he chooses the option of the back pass. Smalling, Welbeck can go on the break if he can be found. Marchisio, it's through. Giaccherini has struggled to impose himself on this game, it has to be said.
Well, it looks like he's been the one who's targeted as the danger man here, and as a consequence he's getting the special attention. They're getting players around him quickly, they're giving him nowhere to go, and I think pretty soon he could be getting frustrated with this.
The ball's with Rooney, Marchisio, Glenn Johnson, Rooney on the ball, Glenn Johnson, and Rooney, now through to Welbeck, Montolivo, a timely intervention, neat ball through the middle. Gerrard, Cleverley, who's just scored a fine goal. Lescott, Cleverley, whose goal-scoring skills have already been seen.
Well, it's good possession,
throw in.
but you've got to have something more substantial on the end of it.
It's a throw-in. Ashley Cole, Marchisio. It's a threatening through ball. The forward push gains momentum. Rooney, well positioned to lead a breakaway. Cleverley. Cleverley, making inroads deep into opposition territory. He wants to get a cross in from here. Ashley Cole plays it through. Welbeck found himself in a good position but couldn't be picked out. Lescott. Here's Rooney. He moves in swiftly. Nice ball through. A crucial intervention there. Smalling. Ashley Cole is located over on the other side. Gerrard. Smalling. Milner. Now Welbeck. Incisive pass that. Rooney's got it. Welbeck shoots. The shot was on, but he's blocked his lines.
I think when you're in front of goal like that, you really should do better. That's a poor finish in the end.
Here's Balotelli. Gerrard. He moves in swiftly. Cleverley. Glenn Johnson. Carrick. Pirlo. De Sciglio. Pirlo. And the return ball towards the centre. Whistle goes. Referee just gives the throw. There's something going on down at the bench. I think it's going to be a substitution. Ashley Young. Abate quickly closed down. The ball's with Defoe. Glenn Johnson. Throw in. He tried going it alone, but without success.
It was good possession, but way too elaborate, completely overworked.
Gets the ball in a nice position. Break is on. Abate. It's out of play for a throw. Barzagli. De Sciglio. He goes looking for his teammate. Chance for a shot! Wins the ball. Gerrard is all over him. Carrick. Chipped through over the top. No, intercepted. Ashley Young. Barzagli takes advantage of a poor pass. Giaccherini. Gerrard. Here's the foe. We're into the last 5 minutes. Abate. Gerrard. He's on a real charge. Oh, lovely feet. Well saved. Gerrard has teed up this corner. The keeper coming in and making the catch. Candreva. De Sciglio. Candreva and Balotelli. Gerrard tops it upfield. Defoe showing super feet. The keeper's got it. Lescott. The referee blows his whistle. Plenty of positives to take away from this game, I think, especially from the performance of the strikers. We saw some finishing of the very highest order.
Well, some matches you just don't want to end, and that was one of them for me. You couldn't predict what was going to happen next. It was a great game.
Thank you, Jim, for joining me.
same old